Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by opening Shortcuts and the widget app you installed. This is where you build the action and the visual. Create a new shortcut and choose the action you want, open an app, run a script, or show text, because the widget will trigger that action. Once done, set any input parameters and test the shortcut inside the Shortcuts app so it runs cleanly. This prevents surprises when the widget calls it from the home screen. Now design the widget's appearance so it matches your layout and function. Pick size, fonts, and any images because users notice polish. In Widgetsmith or Scriptable, add a configuration that calls the shortcut by shortcut URL or the app's linking option. This connects the tap to the action. Make sure to preview on the correct widget size, then save and exit. If your widget supports parameters, pass them now so the displayed content updates dynamically when used. Finish by adding the custom widget to your home screen. Long press the background, tap plus, select the widget app, choose your configured widget and place it where you want. Tap the widget to confirm it launches the shortcut and performs the action. If it asks for permissions, grant them so features like calendar or location work. If the widget doesn't respond, make sure the shortcut still exists, the URL path is correct, and the widget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.